Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we drive a light using LDR. I'm going to show you how can we make automatic light. For that, we need an LDR. I hope you already know about the characteristic of LDR. When the LDR gets light, that time its resistivity became low. When the LDR doesn't get light, that time its resistivity became very high. So using this characteristic, we will make a automatic light. So you see, this is a LDR and this is a LED, and I'm going to play the simulation. And this is a torch light, and when I put some lights on this sensor, the LDR, you see its resistivity starts lowering, and due to that characteristic, the LED starts glowing. You see how much the LDR is getting light, that much the output, the LED is getting more current due to low resistivity. So you see, after a certain time, when the LDR is in very high resistivity mode, that time the output is totally shut down. So this is the characteristic of the LDR. The LDR can pass a very low amount of current that is not adequate to drive a relay or a little bit big output. So we have to use a transistor. I have used here a NPN transistor, that is BC547. So you see, one thing I forgot to tell you, that in this simulation, when the LDR is getting light, the daytime, the output is that time on, but we need a reverse output. When it is day, that time our light should off, and when it is night, that time our output should on. So we have to use here NOT gate. So instead of using NOT gate, I'm using here relay. So for switching the output, we can use relays common pin and normally closed pin. That is the solution of NOT gate. So you see, now the relay is on, this LDR is getting light, so relay should on, and relay is on, but our output is off, what we want to get. So you see, when it is dark, the LDR is getting low light and our output is now on that time. But in the simulation everything seems okay, but when you will apply this circuit diagram in real life, that time it might not be work properly, as this LDR can pass very low amount of current, and this NPN transistors base will get so much low current. Due to that, this transistor will not able to drive the relay properly, and the same time the transistor will start heating, and after a certain time it will stop working. So now we will looking for the solution, and I have made a solution for that. We can use a Darlington transistor. This is NPN type Darlington transistor. I have already discussed in my another video regarding the Darlington transistor. To get strong and stable base current, we have to apply this method, and this is how we can properly drive relay. I have used here a capacitor that will prevent the unnecessary fluctuation. So this is the reason of using this capacitor, and I hope you already know this is the free wheel diode. And here I have used here a potentiometer, so that we can adjust the brightness when I want to on or off the light. we can adjust through this potentiometer. So now let's play it and let's see how it works. So the relay is now on and the output is off. That is okay. LDR is getting light. You see, LDR is getting more light. Output is off, which it should be. And you see, when the LDR is gradually getting the dark, I mean now it is in the dark situation and our output is on, and now there is no harm to drive relay or any other output using this Darlington paired transistor. Let's say the LDR is getting low light, and if you want to on the output with this low light, that time you can use this potentiometer and adjust it, as I am trying to do this. You see, now the output is on with this low light. So this is how we can adjust the light using this potentiometer. So this was all about the circuit. According to the simulation, I have drawn a schematic here, and this is my designed PCB. So this is the design, and you see this is the PCB. I have fabricated it in my workshop. And you see, finally the hardware is working properly. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you very clearly understood how the circuit works. Take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.